This is a Sunday evening, the day before New Year's Eve. I have some lovely people from America. I just made them the jerk chicken. Normally, you have to call in. A group like this big, they have to call in the order. So they came all the way for me, so I could not turn them away. They had to wait about an hour and 20 minutes minimum. So, mira, por favor, no, pa afuera. Okay, so now while they're about to try the chicken, I want to get their reaction so you don't think I'm a fake. Now, guys, you dig in. First of all, what's your name again, brother?
Will.
This is Will. This is his family. And your name, ma'am?
Jennifer.
And you?
Kelsey.
And you?
Delaney.
The beautiful young lady here. All of them is beautiful.
Cameron.
Cameron. Pat. And you?
Simone.
And the hamburger guy. Where's the beef?
Jackson.
Jackson. So they are going to try and they're going to tell you what they think on camera. Look at this, folks. What do you think, guys?
Delicious.
You see? What do you think?
Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Sweet and smoky, very flavorful, absolutely delicious.
Okay. Good?
We love it.
How about you, Mr. Hamburger Man?
Good.
Good. He loves hamburger, by the way. And you, buddy?
Very good.
All right, folks. So you see, we don't play here. I do it authentic. I don't play games. And this is the jerk chicken. Look at that.
So
You hear that? So good. You see? Look, guys. Look at this. This is the rice and peas. Okay, sorry, buddy. Okay? All right, guys. So I'll come back at you when you're done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.